Profeta makes it easier to print dental metal. Launch IPD to design RPD frames. Launch P3DS to realize automatic typesetting and slicing process. Place in the forming base. Operating the scraper to sweep the powder. Copy the data to the printer's computer. Select and load the printing slicing file. Printing process. Raise the forming base after the printing. Take out forming the base. Put the forming base into the furnace. Heat treatment, about 2 to 3 hours. Cutting off the printing results with a bandsaw. Remove the supporting with a pincers. Start polishing process with automatic polishing machine. Finished product display. We develop our own software. To achieve synergy effects with our hardware. His one-stop solution helps automatic production in customer site.